Buying, selling and renting a home is a family decision. Whilst we know that moving home is a significant economic event for a family, it's still a process that is inherently a social activity, involving setting goals, discussing and negotiating family needs. We at Espace Real Estate offer a helping hand. We talk not only from a position of experience as real estate agents, but as valuable advisors covering all aspects of this important process. Espace Real Estate is a unique agency that employs a full-time in-house mortgage advisory team to help you gauge your financial readiness to purchase. If you decide you want to upgrade your home, our resident renovation specialist will be there for you. We were awarded #1 Large Brokerage for 2020 by Property Finder. And with 12 years experience operating in Dubai's main residential communities, we are your perfect partner to help you find your next home.